Hey everyone, CJ here, and today we are going to be building the final 2 bags of the LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop. As you saw in our last video, we built the first floor of the second building, and I have to admit, it was pretty cool with the umbrella and the hat inside. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get building. Now that the building is done, let's take a look. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Need something new to watch? Click over here.